Hello guys, my name is Devesh and welcome to my channel. In the next couple of lectures, we will be learning collection data type in Python. But before we jump on to that discussion, and since we recently learned strings, I want to discuss very important functionality in Python called indexing. Let us take a variable str1 is equal to Raman. Each letter in this string Raman holds a position which we call as index. As I have shown in the above example, the first element of the string will have index 0, the next element will have index 1, and the subsequent element will have the values 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let's go to Python terminal in PyCharm to take a look at more examples. So here I am at the Python console in PyCharm. Let us take a variable, say str1 is equal to Rama and Raman, and hit enter. So the first element, which is R, suppose if I want to print this element, its index position is 0, that I know. So what I can do is I can say str of 1 pair of square brackets and the index value, and if I hit enter I will get the first element. Suppose I want to print M. So what is the index position of M? So I'll start counting from the beginning. R is 0, A is 1 and M is 2. So suppose if I want to print M, I should be doing it like this: str of 1 is equal to 2, and I get M here. Let us take another example. Say variable y is equal to Charles Babbage. Okay, hit enter. Suppose I want to print the letter B, capital B, of this string. So let's start calculating the index of the letter B. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which is space, and 8th letter is B. So here's what I will do: y of 8 and hit enter, and it gives me B. Suppose I want to print the last element of this string. Let's start calculating the last element's index. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Y of 14 and hit enter, and it gives me the last element. In the above two example, we started calculating the indexes from the first letter of the string with index position as 0. We can also do the same by reading from the last element of the string. In this case, our index position will be -1 instead of 0. Take a look at this example. I have the same string Raman. This time I will start calculating the index from the last element. So the last element, which is letter N, will have the index -1. The second last letter, that is letter A, will have the index -2, and the subsequent letters will have -3, -4 and -5 as their respective index. This method of calculating the index is also known as negative indexing, because we are counting from the backward direction. The advantage of negative indexing is, suppose if I want to print the last element of the string, here's what I can do. Instead of calculating till the end, what I can do is I can simply say y of -1, which is my last element, and hit enter. This also gives me the same result. Suppose I want to print small b. So let's calculate the negative index for that. -1, -2, -3 and -4. So I can say y of -4. It gives me small b. So this is how you can use negative indexing based upon your requirement. Now let's think of a scenario where we have a sentence out of which we want to extract a specific part. Like I have a variable, say my statement is equal to I want to become expert Python developer. Okay, and from this string I want to extract only Python developer. So how do we do that? In Python we have a provision to cater this requirement, and we do this by index slicing. Let us discuss how index slicing works.